Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some hot cake pops for Valentine's Day. Making cake pops is a wonderful hack to use up leftover cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. If you have some leftover cake like I do, this batter is from when I made my hidden heart cake. What you want to do is you want to crumble the cake. I use the fork just to break up the cake. Then I poured over my chocolate frosting, which I also had some left over from my hidden heart cake. Mix until well combined. Press out into a prepared baking pan and place in the fridge for 30 minutes. Cut out heart shapes. Crumble the red cake, which I also had some left over from the hidden heart cake. I'll link that video. Add in some cream cheese frosting and mix until well combined. Press out into a prepared baking pan and place in the fridge for 30 minutes. Cut out heart shapes. Melt some white chocolate and cover the tops of the hearts. Smooth out as best as you can. The chocolate will begin to set since the hearts are very cold. With some melted dark chocolate right on the hearts. XOXO for hugs and kisses. Cutie, I heart you, love, BFF. Or any other Valentine's sayings. Give this to someone special this Valentine's Day. and enjoy.